Good morning, students. In my previous class, I completed this lesson number 6. Yes, lesson number 6. The book back exercise, this grammar, vocabulary, and this poem also have completed it. Today, we are going to study this new lesson, Raoul the Owl. Okay, you all like birds, yes or no? Everyone like birds. Some of the members here like parrot and sparrow and birds. Everybody here like this bird sounds also, isn't it? Now today we are going to study this lesson number 7, Raoul the Owl. What's the title of this lesson? Raoul the Owl. Okay, Raoul the Owl. Owl, you know na? What is mean by owl? One bird, isn't it? See this one, just have to study this. Just remember Louis Berry. Okay, Louis Berry. This is a man. See this, take page number 96. Page number 96. When I was 3, I was playing with the sharp instruments in my father's shoe workshop. I hurt my eye and steadily grew blind, but I did not despair. I went to a school for the blind in Paris. The school gave only 14 books for the blind to read on their own. They heard large letters that were raised up on the page. Since the letters were so big, the books were large and bulky. More importantly, the books were expensive to buy. I could feel each letter, but it took me a long time to read an entire sentence. By the time I reached the end of a sentence, I almost forgot what the beginning was about. Instead of giving up on reading, I invented a system in which letters are written as raised dot. The system would enable hundreds of blind people to read. This is called Braille. See this. Now we are going to see this. Who is Louis Berry? Okay. When I was 3, when the age of 3, the Louis Berry is playing with the sharp instruments in our father's workshop. Okay. When this Louis Berry 3rd, okay, the age of 3rd, this Louis Berry playing with the instruments of sharp. From where? From his father's shoe workshop. Okay, at that time he heard, okay, he hurt my eye and steady gray blind. At that time he hurt his eye and he gray blind, but I didn't despair, but he didn't despair. Okay, and he went to school for the blind school. Okay, he went to blind school in Paris. When it is the blind school in Paris, the school had only 14 books for the blind to read on their own. Only 14 books are there, where in the Paris school only 14 books are there for the blind people. They heard large letters that were raised up on the page. Since the letters were so big, okay, in the 14 books the letters are so big and that were raised up on the page. The books were large and bulky also. More importantly, the books were expensive to buy. That is, very expensive to buy that books. I could feel each letter, but it took me a long time to read an entire sentence. But he could feel each letters, and took me a long time to read in one sentence. By the time I reached the end of the sentence, and he reached the end of the sentence, he forgot this beginning. What about this sentence? Instead of giving up and reading, then he invented a system in which letters are written as right dots, and he invented this books. Okay, system of letters are written as raised dot, and he invented what? A system in which letters are written at raised dot. The systems would enable 100 of blind people to read, and this system is very useful for the 100 people, the blind people. Okay, this is called what? Berry. Okay, Louis Berry. Louis Berry is a blind man. Okay, as Lord, he invented what? He invented a system in which letters are written as raised dot. Okay, it is called by what? Berry. And now we are going to say this Kalpana Chawla. Everyone know this Kalpana Chawla is a what? Space lady, isn't it? When I was a child, we lived in a town which was one of a handful of towns which had flying clubs at that time. My brother and would sometimes be on our bike looking up, which you should not be doing, at pushback aeroplanes, trying to see where they were headed. Every once in a while, we had asked Dad if he could get a ride in one of these planes. With hard work and determination, I became an astronaut at the NASA and finally got to fly. And Kalpana Chawla, when she was a child, and she lived in a town, and she and her brother sometimes we on our bike looking up, which you should not be doing, at bushback aeroplanes. And at last she became an astronaut in the NASA and finally got to fly. This Kalpana Chawla is a space lady. Okay. See, now we are going to study this lesson story. Everyone take this page number 97. Take page number 97, all of you. See, on an old hollow tree near the edge of the thick woods lived a family of owls. On the topmost branch lived the youngest owl, Raoul. He was polite and cheerful, but he had a serious problem for an owl. He couldn't see in the dark. Every evening his family would wake up and stretch and start out. Raoul would blink and bear and strain his eyes, but all remained dark. When the moon was shown, he could dimly see the shapes of trees, but had to fly very slowly and close to the ground. Since it was impossible for him to count, he had to go home early and wait to be food. And this paragraph, see, an old hollow tree near the edge of the thick woods lived a family of owls. See this hollow tree. Okay, this is a hollow tree near the edge of the thick woods. Okay, here a lot of woods is there. In these trees, one family of owls, they all lived in this hollow tree. Okay. On the topmost branch lived the youngest owl, Raoul. And the topmost branch, these youngest owls lived. And see, on the topmost branch lived the youngest owl, Raoul. He was polite and cheerful. And this hollow tree in the topmost branch, the youngest owl, the name is Raoul. Okay, underline this owl name is Raoul. And this owl is very polite and cheerful. And he was very polite and cheerful. Okay, this owl is very respectful and very cheerful owls also. But he had a serious problem for an owl. He couldn't see in the dark. But these owls have a serious problem. No, what the serious problem? The owls can't able to see on night. Okay. Every evening his family would wake up, earn, stretch and start out. Every evening his family would wake up. Every family, whose family? This Raoul's family. Okay, Raoul's father, mother and the brothers would wake up, earning and stretching, and they all start out. What? They are going to for food. Raoul would blink and bear and strain his eyes, but all remained dark. Bird would blinking, okay? Raoul is blinking and bear and strain his eyes. What does mean by bear? See? Took look with a difficulty, okay? Raoul is blinking and looking very difficulty and strain his eyes because of why? They are wake up evening and everything looks very dark. Okay, when the moon was up, he could dimly see the shapes of trees, but he had to fly very slowly and close to the ground. Okay, and see, when the moon was up and he could dimly see the trees, the dimly, which means very dull, okay, because of evening time. Okay, very full of dark. That's why he can't able to see the trees, but he had to fly very slowly and close to the ground. Since it was impossible for him to count, he had to go home early, wait to be fed. Okay, because of everything is dark, but this Raoul is the youngest owl, no? That's why he can't able to see anywhere, and he was impossible for him to hunt. He had to go home early and wait for the food. And see this one. His brothers brought him some dinner in turns. Whose brothers is Raoul's brothers is brought some food. For what? Raoul, he didn't take any food from the ground. That's why his brother took some dinner for Raoul. However, they constantly laughed and hooked at Raoul's inability to hunt. However, everything in his mother, father, the brothers, they are laughing, they are hooking, who like this, they are hooking at Raoul's inability to hunt. Because of why they are laughing? Raoul's can't able to take anything from the ground. He can't able to hunt. That's why everyone, they are laughing, okay? Raoul hated this. Raoul very upset, and Raoul hated, okay? At last, Raoul could not stand it any longer. This won't do, he said firmly to himself. And Raoul said to himself, okay? Tanne tane. Okay, what Raoul said? I will have to change my habits, and there he made up his mind to do something daring. Okay, and though he made up his mind to do something, and Raoul said like that, I will have to change my habits. Okay, everyone, they are laughing, no? That's why Raoul said to himself, I want to change my habits. Because of his brothers, they are laughing. He can't able to find anything from the ground, okay? And he decided to sleep all night and wake up in the morning. Again, this Raoul's desire, what the Raoul decided, every morning, okay? Every morning, I want to go outside, and evening I want to go for sleeping. He decided to sleep all night and wake up in the morning. When the family heard the decision, mother and father were very upset. All the owls, they will go in evening for the wood, okay? Here this Raoul owl changing the habits, okay? Every morning this Raoul going for food, and evening Raoul is going to bed, okay? And this decision, mother and father were very upset, okay? See, whoever has heard of such a thing, mother cried and almost fainted. Whoever has heard such a thing, who will do like this? Mother said, and mother cried, and she is fainted, okay? And disgraceful, said father, none of the family has ever done such a thing. And mother told, what the mother told? No one do like this, okay? No owl do like this, okay? You only do it, and mother is crying and fainted, okay? And this father is disgraceful, and none of your family has ever done such a thing. No one is doing like, no our family did like this, okay? Who said this? Raoul's father. And Rufus, okay? Rufus is one of the Raoul's middle brother, who read a lot, said, no Arctic owls can't generally, that is during the long daylight hours. And Rufus told like this, Arctic owls can generally, that is during the long daylight hours. Arctic owls, okay? Arctic, which means one place, okay? There's Arctic Ocean, okay? This Arctic place owls only, they will do like this, but we won't do like this, okay? This Arctic owls only, they will do like this. Morning time they will go for hunt, and evening they will go to bed. But you also doing like this. Who said like this? Rufus, okay? We are not Arctic owls, cried father Gorley, okay? Who said like this? Rufus told to owl. And we are not Arctic owls, said, who said like this? Father, okay? The older brothers laughed rosily, okay? And these older brothers, they are laughing. Who maybe he is even an owl. He is your brother, father said. And this brothers, everyone is laughing. And this father told all the brothers, he is your brother, you should not laugh, okay? Please leave him alone. Then he turned to Raoul and said gently, if he insists, you can try, but remember to be a good owl always, okay? And his father told, leave him alone, okay? Please leave him alone. Who's leave him alone? This Raoul, okay? Who told like this? Raoul's father, okay? And this Raoul father told to Raoul, if he insists, you can try. If he can, you can try. But remember, be a good owl always. Who told like this? Raoul's father, okay? Father patted mother's wings and whispered, don't worry, my dear, he will soon change his mind, okay? And father patted, which means what? Father is appreciating, okay? Father appreciated. And mother's wings and whisper, mother's is still very secretly, don't worry, my dear, he will soon change his mind. And mother's wings and mother's is whispered, okay? And mother's is told to this Raoul, don't worry, my dear, he will soon change his mind. Who will change? His father changed his life, changed his mind, okay? The following morning, when his family was going to bed, Raoul got up, stretched, and stepped outside. He slided out on the branch and looked about. What? He shouted. And the next morning, Raoul going to outside and Raoul's family is going to bed, okay? When his family was going to bed, Raoul got up, stretched, and stepped outside. He slided out of the branch and looked about, okay? In the morning, Raoul looked around, okay, and looked the trees, everything, and he said, wow, what is this? What beautiful, okay? He could see everything. Who says could see everything? Raoul, okay? Raoul seen everything and Raoul seen everywhere, and there was so much to see, a bright hot yellow thing in the sky, okay? And this Raoul seen everything, and it looks like a bright, hot and yellow thing in the sky. The forest, the brown and green far away, the meadows green and full of flowers, okay? This grassland, and this Raoul seen the grassland is full of green and the full of flowers also. Raoul spread his wings and flew out, and everything. Raoul is very happy, and Raoul seen everything, and Raoul is spread his wings, okay, and they fly away. Who fly away? Raoul, okay. He had never seen so many colors in his whole life. He felt so good that he flew upside down and did barrel rolls and looped the loops, okay? And this Raoul seen everything, and Raoul seen the color, all the color, but he never seen, still now he never seen the colors, and after now only he has seen all the colors. He feels so good that he flew upside down, and now he is happy and he is feeling, okay? He is very happy now. By noon he was very hungry. He spied a small mouse behind an old barn. He swept down on it. By now, he's very hungry. Okay, who's very hungry? Owl. Owl is very hungry. He spied a small mouse behind an old barn, and he's seen, okay, walked very shyly. Okay, seen, which means one walked very shyly, and he saw a small mouse behind an old farm. Okay. In the evening, Raoul is very hungry, and he seen a mouse behind a farm. He swept down on it, okay? Oh, please, Mr. Hawk, let me go, squeaked the sad little mouse, holding her little hands together. And thus, Owl seen a small house behind the old farm, and this mouse told to this owl, oh, please don't take me, please leave me. And this owl going to eat the mouse. That's why this mouse told to owl, please, oh please, Mr. Hawk, leave me, let me go, smack the sad little mouse, holding little hands together. Raoul's heart was touched, okay? He let the house go free, and this mouse told to this owl, Mr. Hawk, please leave me. And so the sad little mouse holding his little hands together. And this mouse holding the two hands, okay, holding the two hands, like, please leave me, please don't eat me. Who said like this? This mouse told to who? Owl, okay. Raoul's heart was touched and he let the mouse go free. And this Raoul's heart is very touched, okay, because of why? This mouse holding the two hands together. That's why this Raoul's very, okay, very feeling, okay. And he let the mouse go free. But now, but why do you call me a hawk? He asked. Who asked? This owl asked you, mouse, why you are calling hawk? Because of this is owl, no? He is calling hawk, which means parindu. Owl, andai. Okay, that's why. Why you are calling hawk me? I am an owl. No, that's why. Why you are calling Mr. Hawk? Who was like this? Owl asked you. Who? Asked to mouse. Okay. The shivering mouse slowly looked up and said, good heavens, you are not a hawk, you are an owl. What on earth are you doing out in daytime? Are you crazy? And this mouse said to this owl, the shivering mouse slowly and looked up and said, this mouse said to this owl, you are not a hawk, you are an owl. But what you are doing in the daytime in this ground? Are you crazy? This owl, they will fly in the night only. Is that no? They won't come in the morning. That's why this mouse asked to this owl, what you are doing in the daytime, in the daylight, what you are doing in the ground, okay? And I don't think you ought to be so rude. After all, I could have eaten you. I'm sorry, said the mouse. And this one, and this owl said to this, after all, I could have eaten you. I'm sorry, said the mouse. Okay, please forgive me, but I have never heard of an owl flying during day. I'm sorry, okay. And this mouse said to this owl, no, that's why this owl said to, after all, I could have to eaten you. That's why this mouse says, I'm so sorry, please forgive me, but I have never heard for an owl flying during day. But I never heard whether the owl is flying in daylight. Who said like this? Mouse. Raoul explained everything. Raoul is explained everything. What explained this flashback? Every family, my families, they will go for the food in evening, but I can't able to find my food. That's why I came daylight. Who said like this? Owl told to mouse. Okay. Raoul explained everything. That is the bravest thing I never heard of, said the mouse. And this Raoul explained everything. What the mouse replied, that is very bravest thing I ever heard like this. Okay. Thanks, but I am very hungry, cried Raoul. And this mouse appreciated him. No, that's why this mouse, Raoul said, thank you, but I am very hungry. Okay, Raoul is crying because Raoul is very hungry. No. And my name is Bertram. What is yours? Asked the mouse. And this mouse name is Bertram. And what is yours? What's your name? Asked who? Asked like this? Mouse asked you. Who? Owl. Okay, Raoul. Okay. What is the mouse name? Bertram. What is the mother name? Mouse name? Bertram. And see, my name is Raoul. Nice to meet you, Bertram. Will you eat cheese? Asked Bertram, hurrying back from the pan with a piece of cheese. And this owl is very hungry, no? And that's why this mouse asked, will you eat cheese? You want a cheese? Asked Bertram to this Raoul. And Raoul picked at his too sticky, and this mouse given some cheese to this owl, but this cheese is very hard, very sticky. Okay, that why that is can't able to eat, very sticky. Okay, very hard. How about corn? Asked Bertram, bringing kernels from his winter store. and this cheese is not able to eat. No, that's why again they are given corn. Okay, this mouse, this Bertram, given some corn to who? Raul. Okay, that way also that is very hard. Corn, you know na? Corn, that is very hard. And cried Bertram. And that also very hard. Again, Bertram is crying. That one also he don't want. Cheese given, that one very hard. And corn also given, that is also very tough to eat. You are a bird, aren't you? What about some bird seed? Okay, you are a bird, you can't be able to eat this kind of corn and cheese. Shall I give some bird seed? Bertrand ran in the big house behind the barn and returned with this discarded box of bird seed. And Bertram is run away from the big house and beyond this farm and given some bird seed. And this is delicious. Okay, that is very tasty. What is this? Bird seed. Okay, that is very tasty. After lunch, he took Bertram for the ride on his back. The mouse explained to him about the flowers, bees, and many other things. By evening, Raoul was ready to go home. And after the lunch, after they are eating this bad sheet, and Bertram for a ride on his back. Okay, Bertram for a ride on his back. Who took like this? Owl took Bertram on the back. They are going to sing outside. Okay, and the mouse explained to him about the flowers, the bees, and many other things. And the Miss Mouse explained everything. Okay, this mouse knows everything. No, that's why this mouse explained everything to him, to Raoul, about the flowers, about the bees, and many other things. Okay, by the evening, Raoul was ready to go home, and morning only this Raoul is seen everything, and mouse is going to hunt. Okay, evening this Raoul, morning only Raoul for going to hunt, and evening Raoul want to go to bed. Okay, and see, by evening Raoul was ready to go home. Today our portion is completed. Okay, this 3 pages we are completed. Up to this much we are completed. Okay, by evening Raoul was ready to go home. Up to this much we are completed. See, read this lesson. Okay, read this lesson number 7. These 3 pages I completed. In my next class I will complete the remaining story and these notes also. Okay, synonyms, antonyms, verb form, frame, sentence, and question also I want to read. Okay, I will give in my next class. Okay, I hope you all understood this story. Okay, from the beginning, this family, Owl's family, and everyone, this father, mother, the brothers also, they will go for hunt in the night. They will go, but this Raoul can't able to see anything in the dark. Okay, and he decided to go to morning, daylight. And this father, mother, brothers, everyone, they are upset, and brothers they are laughing, and mother and father they are upset. Okay, and this Raoul went morning, okay, for hunting, and he was very hungry in the afternoon, and this Raoul seen a mouse, and this mouse is a friend, and this mouse given for seeds and corn, and at last given a bird seed. And after this Raoul want to go home. Okay, up to this much I'm completed today. In my next class I'm planning to continue the lesson, and I will give the notes also. Okay, I hope you all understood this story. My next class I will complete it. Okay, thank you.